Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to explain what I have done for the Python deep learning lesson 1. So in this we have learned the basics of Keras and TensorFlow and the introduction of small applications of deep learning. So in the first question we have been asked to increase the more layers in the existing code and check the accuracy of that. So I was trying to run this with PyCharm, but I'm not able to do that, so I have used Google Colab to do that. So for using Google Colab, first I need to upload this CSV file into my Google Drive, and this is the ID of that file which I have uploaded. So I'll be accessing this file using this syntax. So for in the first step, I have used the existing code. It has got only 20 hidden layers, so I have used the same code and I found the accuracy. So the first accuracy is found to be the loss is 0.64 and the accuracy is 0.6875. So in the second part, with more dense layers, like I have increased I have added an extra hidden layer of 20. So if I have applied sequential TensorFlow, and I have found the accuracy. So I find that the first time and the second time the accuracy remains the same, but the loss is higher in the case of first, and in the case of second it's low. And coming to the second question and third question, in the second question we have taken a data source of breast cancer dataset, and I need to check the accuracy for this. So this is the code for that, and even I have uploaded this breastcancer.csv file into Google Drive, and I have accessed that. So first we have like non-numeric fields in this breast cancer, so I have removed those, made them as target fields. So the second field in the CSV file is taking M and B, so I have taken that as the target field, and I have taken 2 to the 30 as non-target fields, and I have applied the sequential model on that, and I have found the accuracy for this. So I got the loss would be 0.28 and the accuracy is 0.916. This has been done, but in the third question I have been asked to do an normalization, standard scalar normalization. So before I have just taken a data before normalization and after normalization, how it looks like. So after normalization I have applied the same accuracy sequential model on that, and I have found the accuracy. So the second case, in the both cases, in the first case the accuracy is 0.91, and after normalization the accuracy has been increased to 0.96, and if you see the loss, even the loss has also been decreased, and that's it.